garden to harvest some vegetables and fruits. We have some peaches and cucumbers ready. The cucumbers are here. Oh, look at these roses. The gorgeous roses. This is moringa. And then we have the cucumbers here, which is almost this one. But this is still good, I think. I can still use this. Tomatoes here. Smells so good. These are the tomatoes. We have the cucumber and the tomatoes. Now let's harvest some peaches. Oh, look at this rose. We have this peach. Look at this. Beautiful. This beautiful peach. Super duper fragrant. And we have this peach. This one, oh, they're falling. This one. And then here, let's put it there. And then here. This one. This one. Oh, beautiful. So we have this and this. So we have 5 peaches. Now let's move on to the figs. We have a lot of calamansi, but we are going to harvest like figs. Look at all the figs. This one is ready. This 2 and this, they are sticky. Look at the pears over there. For now, let's harvest the figs. Look at this one, gorgeous. The figs, our fig harvest. There are a lot more, but I'm in a hurry right now. I'll harvest more later. And the figs. Oh, look at these flowers. So gorgeous, right? Oh, this is so beautiful. I love this color. I think we still have some grapes. Let's see if we could harvest some grapes over there. And I have 2 oranges. The 2 oranges joining our harvest here. Let's harvest more later. I think we have look at the peaches there. Cool, right? A bunch of grapes. My harvest today: oranges, peaches, figs, tomatoes, cucumber, and grapes. We went to the Japanese market yesterday, Mitsuwa, and we got this pancake, Japanese pancake. I'll try to make Japanese pancake. I think I'll get this one. This is like there's another here, there's another one here. I'll get this one, which we are preparing for breakfast. Today is Saturday, and look at that, the writing, Japanese. But I think I can picture it from just
looking at the pictures. So you need like the mixture, these two mixtures, and you need 1 egg. You mix them together and you put them on a frying pan. You fry it and then it becomes a pancake.
Oh, after this, what's our itinerary for today?
Make videos.
Josh is going to make videos. I'm going to make videos too. But we are going to meet a friend.
Oh, meet a friend.
Yeah.
Where?
In Burbank.
Oh, Burbank.
So we're going to meet Daddy's friend in Burbank and then come back to make videos.
I'm gonna
make a lot of videos.
I'm gonna try to make 5 videos today.
Yay! I just need 150. It's 141 right now. I just need 150. Oops, it's too much. 161. And then we need egg and milk. And then let's just try to I am using butter. Here is the butter mix. Let's make. This is so fluffy. Like, see, like if you can hear it, like. So let's drizzle like some syrup. We love syrup. And then sprinkle with powdered sugar. And our breakfast is ready. Look at this gorgeous flowers. So beautiful. Still a back to school item, I have here a laptop case from Dumiso. This is shockproof and then waterproof. And so the laptop is really safe. You know, with kids, they are not as careful. So you need to have like a really a case. The zipper is really smooth. And then this is the inside. So it has like a pocket here, a belt, and then a pocket. So you insert the laptop here and then fasten. So it's like super safe. And then there's also a pocket here to put the charger, or like if you're using this for traveling, this is not just only for like the school. You can also use this for the office or like when you're traveling, and you can use you can put other stuff here too. So there's a pocket there, like a zip pocket, and a handle. See, this is made of premium thickened EVA, which gives your laptop an ultimate protection. This comes in different sizes from 13.3 to 17.3 inches, and also comes in different colors. As of right now, there are 10 different colors available. This is dark blue, there is royal blue. If it's for me, I would get the pink. There's also teal and then gray and the other like 5 colors. So this is the super awesome laptop case from Dumiso. I'm about to prepare Josh like lunch for school. This is lightly smoked salmon, Atlantic salmon portions. They have been like portioned already. Shiso for the omelette, for the scrambled egg. Beans and beef and then rice. Here's Josh's lunch at school today. The parfait, shrimp, tomato from the garden, and then basil from the garden. Hi Josh, how are you?
I'm good.
Sabbath Safe with Josh. These are the fall flavors. It's the pumpkin party, iced pumpkin cream chai, pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin cream cold brew, and then apple. Iced apple crisp, apple crisp oatmeal.
Anti-paradise drink with coconut milk.
That's new.
Whoa. Whoa. Mango dragon fruit lemonade.
I'm having the same. I super love this vest that I got from Samoya. It has 2 pockets where I can put my hands on, which makes it really cozy. It has open front, which makes it like stylish. The play design is classic. It's made of cotton, wool, and polyester, which gives it a more structured look. And you could wear this from casual to formal, from going to the park or eating at restaurants or even during holidays, and you could even wear this at home too. The play design is classic and timeless. This is the front and this is the back. You could wear this with a small bag like this, a crossbody bag, or a big bag like this when you're traveling. Or you could wear them with both, like that. This is super stylish. I love it. You could wear this in many occasions, so get yours today. Going to a Cuban restaurant right here if they have a parking space. At Versailles, our favorite Cuban restaurant. Here is the menu. It's been the same for like many years now, probably 20 years. We've been coming here more than like 20 years. There you go. There's a yummy garlic bread, and then Josh and I are sharing tortilla, and my husband is having reserva.
Thank you. Extra rice.
The rubber and sentido or the oxtails too, and then the famous Cuban chicken, black beans. And I love the plantain. We also got this one. This is the garlic marinade. And we're here at Versailles Cuban restaurant.
Are you buckled up, JD?
Oh no. We're going to the place, Agra Tandoori Indian restaurant. We're playing country game while waiting for our food. Oh, that's so pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you. Parents are helping Josh.
The parents are volunteering to help finish the soup.
It's so good. Apparently the productions like this place. Yeah, my food is here.
It's very hot. Thank you.
Also yummy tandoori chicken. Salam karasi.
One bread. The bread we can use here. Thank you.
Here's our yummy food.
The naan bread.
Yep.
The boy's favorite.
And Josh likes to do this. Daddy too. Oh, Daddy is into sag paneer. How is it, Daddy? Maldi.
Medium.
Medium, that Josh. Yeah.
Heads up. Huh?
Heads up, it's probably spicy. You said medium.
Can you handle it?
Wow.
Fry spicy. And you can have non-stop
We
sipon.
ordered medium. It's a little spicy, not so used to.
Yeah. Like you need to drink a whole gallon of milk.
Pudding.
Mama's gonna eat it out.
The rice pudding.
Mama's gonna eat it out.
No, I don't have room for it. You need to eat, guys. We're here grocery shopping at Mitsuwa. I'll probably get the Meiji. It's in Korean Airlines. You want Kalpito, Josh? Or... Oh, those teas are very strong, right? Remember?
No, they didn't have sugar.
Let's
they weren't
check.
strong. They just didn't have sugar.
They have them in smaller cuts now, no? This is 175, 181. Let's look for like beef seasoning.
The human civilization will be when the moon suddenly comes earlier.
This one, Chinese roast duck. Tonkotsu ramen soup. Seasoning. Oh, it's like paste. Ramen broth. Let's go check the snacks. Shrimp chips. Do you say anything you like?
I get it. It's my potato. We potato.
Oh, nice. Mine is smaller. Now we put pot. That's nice. My pot, my truffle. Corn puff snack, shrimp, ramen snack. Oh,
Isn't it? No, that is.
are those snacks? They're snacks, right? I haven't tried this. They're probably good because I always see them in Japanese places. I like this one. Is there anything you like, Josh? We like this. We're getting kasugay. You want 3 kasugay? Yeah. 3 kasugay.
Yeah.
Maybe let's go to picnic.
Yeah.
Let's picnic. Since we have a lot of stuff
Yep.
that we can bring to picnic. We're here at Mitsuwa. The snacks here. Which one? Let's try one. It kind of has mushroom chocolate. See that? Josh likes pokey. The snacks. A lot of yummy stuff. No? Did you see it? I like this. Which one? For me, silkan, black cod.
And that watermelon has, you have like tuna and then
$100 for one like box of uni. Shabu shabu. For winter, you can have shabu shabu.
if we're gonna make tuna tartare, we got the fish from a different place, right? The
Yeah.
fish place, you remember that?
Oh, this one? But this one is blueberry.
No, I mean this one.
Blueberry.
This one.
Yeah. That one is red bean. This one is blueberry. I kind of like the blueberry. This one is Okinawa brown sugar. Ooh, I think I like this. We'll get this one. This is the sugar that the Japanese chef, the Shin Sushi, the owner of Shin Sushi, uses for the tofu. We'll try it. Dashi. I think this akawos. The beers here. This kawaba is expensive. Husband got that one.
Echigo. I got Echigo.
We're going to that place, Agra Tandoori Indian restaurant.